Hey everybody, welcome to the Florida Immigration Law Council YouTube channel. I wanted to take a few moments and discuss with you guys the updates that are going on right now at USCIS and how they could potentially affect you if you're in the process of filing for your green card. Number one, a few months ago, I had made a video explaining that the fees may be increasing soon. I gave examples of the citizenship fee going up from $725 to $1,125. The adjustment of status fee is supposed to be going up as well. The fiancé visa is going to be going up, I believe, and also the employment-based petitions. Those filing fees are going to be increasing. And what happens is the Department of Homeland Security issues out this notification that they are going to increase the fees, and then they allow a kind of like a waiting period of comments from the public actually, that you can go ahead and submit to the Department of Homeland Security whether or not you agree or disagree or what your ideas of these fee increase. And they leave the comment period open for 30 days and then extended for another 15 days. So February 10th, which is this coming Monday, is going to be the end of the comment period. So we are expected the new fees to be published anytime soon after that. So if you haven't already applied for an immigration benefit such as citizenship, which right now is the highest percentage jump increase, and probably so because this is an election year, who knows, facing immigrants right now when it comes to the fees being so high, is for the citizenship. So if you are eligible to apply for citizenship and interested, please consult with an experienced immigration attorney. You're free to give us a call as well. We can review your eligibility and see if you should go ahead and apply for citizenship now, especially before the fees increase, and especially so you have an opportunity to vote this year. The second issue I wanted to discuss briefly again was the public charge. This is set to go into effect February 24th. This is going to be affecting individuals who are applying for green cards and for individuals applying for changes of statuses right now in the United States. And it's really something to consider when you are in the adjustment process, making sure that you are filling out the financial affidavit properly so that you don't subject yourself to the public charge questionnaire, which is about 18 pages long, and it goes through your credit history, it goes through your bankruptcy, it goes to if you had claims against you, all for the petitioner, the person, the United States citizen, all to prove whether or not they have the funds to go ahead and take responsibility for a foreign national that's coming to the United States to obtain the residency. So this is a big issue, and if you're in the process of filing for adjustment and you're married to a United States citizen, or you have a child that's sponsoring their parent, a child that is a United States citizen over 21 wanting to sponsor their parent, or you are a United States citizen parent wanting to apply for your child under 21, now is the time to do so you don't become affected by the public charge regulations that are set to go into effect February 24th. The other day, a few days ago, I was at a USCIS interview, and my clients at the time, they had to have a joint sponsor for their financial affidavit. They weren't making above the poverty guidelines. And apparently the service center had sent them what's called a request for evidence so that they can go ahead and get another chance to provide their finances. I didn't represent them at this time. I only represented them for the interview portion. But the officer made it very clear that if this is post February 24th, they're not even going to schedule these cases for interviews. They're going to deny them in the service center. And what does that mean is that for individuals who are not represented by experienced attorneys to handle cases like this, if they go to a form filler or a notario, or they try to do it themselves, what happens is they don't know what they're doing. It goes sent out to the service center, and if they don't meet the public charge regulations, they're going to deny it at the service center. And when you reapply, you have to reapply with all the fees all over again. And by you applying and it gets denied, you also subject yourself to be placed into removal proceedings. And this is why it's so important that you don't try to do these packages by yourself. This is why it's so important that you go to an attorney that's experienced, that practices immigration, that is somebody who does this all the time to represent you in a way that you're not placed in a situation where you've paid thousands of dollars in fees to the government and it gets denied and you have to pay it again. So just heed my advice and, let us know if you're in these situations and you would like to get a consultation. We're here to help you guys. Our number is 954-240-1669. Thank you for watching this.